Let's solve this together. It says x plus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 150. How do we solve this? First thing to do is that we can express x in terms of y. So I have that x is equal to 150 over y. Now remember this equation. Let's substitute x as 150 over y in equation 1. So we have 150 over y plus y is equal to 10. Multiplying each term by y, we have 150 plus y times y is y squared is equal to y times 10 is 10y. Alright? Now we have y squared minus 10y, that's we subtract 10y from both sides, plus 150 will now be equal to 0. Okay? Now using the quadratic formula that says that y will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now we have that our a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 10, and c is equal to 150. Now we have from here that y will be equal to minus 10 is plus 10, so we have 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared is 100 minus 4ac is 150 times 1, 150 times 4 is 600. All over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. Hence the other y will be equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 600 is negative 500 all over 2. Okay, I have that y will be equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 times square root of 5 times square root of minus 1. Okay, all over 2. And y will now be equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 is 10 times square root of 5 times square root of negative 1 is I all over 2. Hence y will now be equal to 5 plus or minus 5 root 5 multiplied by I. So we have 5I root 5. Okay, I hope it made sense. Now let's find x, because we've gotten the two values for y. Let's now find x. Now recall that we said that x is equal to 150 over y. Substituting y for 5 plus 5i root 5, we now have that x will be equal to 150 divided by 5 plus 5i root 5. Now, because you have roots in the denominator, you have to rationalize by multiplying by the conjugate of this denominator. So multiply by 5 minus, now, 5i root 5, okay? Remember, you're multiplying by the conjugate of this denominator, divided by 5 minus 5i root 5. This is known as rationalizing the denominator. That's removing this sign from the denominator. Now, x will be equal to 150 times 5 minus 5i root 5 all over 5 squared is 25 minus, now there's no difference of two squares here because you have this plus this and the same thing minus this thing. So you have to square this and put minus between them. Okay, so we square this as well. 5 squared is what? 25. Okay, now you have 25. I squared is negative 1. Root of 5 squared is 5. Alright, so that this becomes equal to, so x becomes equal to now 150 into 5 minus 5i root 5 divided by 25 minus 25 times minus 1 is plus 25 times 5 is plus 125. We now have that x is equal to 150 into 5 minus 5i root 5 all over, this becomes 150. 150 strikes 150, so that I have that x is equal to 5 minus 5i root 5. And when was this? When y is equal to 5 plus 5i root 5. Hence, this implies that when y will be equal to 5 minus 5i root 5, x will become equal to 5 plus 5i root 5. Hence, the answers for x and y are 5 plus or minus 5i root 5. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.